Hello! Great that you are here with us because I have some exciting news about Lyon Marketplace. So if you have some free time, let's go and talk about it. But first, let's find some more space. Lyon is a flight management software, so currently we have a lot of aircraft that are already available in our Lyon Marketplace. And with operators that are coming to Lyon with every week and every month, this number is rising. Also, each operator needs to make sure that the pricing inserted in Lyon is accurate because they want to correctly calculate the costs. So if you will be requesting for a subcharter, then the costs will be most accurate. In Lyon, you have also a very easy way to transfer PAX details from broker to the operator, but also the statuses of the flight from operator to the broker. So you can quickly and safely send information, for example, about catering. The most important thing is that till the end of 2026, the Lyon Marketplace will be free of charge. So you can use it however you want, and please add your aircraft right now. Lyon Marketplace is available for free testing till the end of 2026. So right now, go ahead and enable this feature in Lyon to check how the passenger data can be automatically transferred from broker to operator, or how the operator can automatically share flight data with the broker. The implementation process is as easy as getting your morning coffee, so let's do it right away. Good one.